Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Apple Books as a screenshot editor on iPhone. First, let me take a screenshot of anything basically on the iPhone. For example, this page. To take a screenshot, press the side button and the volume up button at the same time. And then, once the screenshot is taken, let's save it by tapping OK. Let's save it to Photos. Then open your device's gallery and let's open the screenshot that we just saved. Now tap Share icon in the bottom left corner of the screenshot and let's select the application that we want to use to edit it. Tap More and then navigate down to Books application. This will open the Books application on this iPhone and will let us use all the editing tools that are applicable for books. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.